up, everybody? Tony Lopez here with Alternative Living Spaces, and in today's episode I'm going to be showing you a container tiny home we built that was actually featured on HGTV. This really is a one-of-a-kind build. It's a 24-foot shipping container. I said that, 24 feet, really unique size, and in the video I'll explain how we got it to that size, so let's check it out. So this is a 24-foot shipping container. It's a really unique size, and the way we did that was we actually took a 20-foot shipping container, we opened up the container doors, and then permanently welded them open. This gave us an additional 4 feet. We then had to build a subframe and a rooftop on top of it to extend the container that extra amount of feet. Now, this made the container go from 160 square feet to 200 square feet, which allowed us to create a couple extra spaces within the interior. Now, on the outside of this unit, the first thing you'll notice is really a bright blue side. I love how it turned out, went with that kind of teal paint on the exterior. Also love the touch of the exterior planters. Just allows a nice little pop of wood on that metal of the container, softens that industrial feel. As you go towards the front, we have a nice little front deck, also with some wood siding. Once again, that wood siding really does soften it up. And what I love about the front of this container is I feel like it's probably the most modern look we've ever gotten with a container home. We actually did the windows directly in the original container doors. So multiple pieces of glass in those container doors, the outswing French entry door, and then above that, the skylights as well. All of that goes to really allow a lot of natural light into that first space as you walk in. Now this unit is on wheels, so it is RV certified. We basically built this directly on a trailer, and the reason we did it on wheels was really to get around a lot of permitting code. So it's classified by the DMV as an RV, and therefore it can go anywhere that an RV can go. This unit is currently in McGill, Nevada, which is central Nevada. It's set up as an Airbnb rental on a really incredible property where basically they have bell tents, container tiny homes, a variety of things that they are doing to create really a tiny home village where you can go and experience these types of builds. Now, as you walk into this particular tiny home, the first thing you're gonna notice is the really bright interior. So all the windows allow a lot of natural light in. The first space you walk into is the living room space. So a great opportunity to hang out and just enjoy the views of where you're at. As you continue down the tiny home, the next space is the hallway where you enter the bathroom. Now this is the nicest bathroom we've ever done in a tiny home. It is really just filled with tile. So it's got tile flooring, a really unique pattern. Then on the left side, there's the tile shower with the gold fixtures. I love how the gold pops off the white tile. And then on the right-hand side, that whole wall is really an accent wall of blue tile right behind the vanity and the toilet. And the vanity also has those gold fixtures matching the shower. One last thing about the bathroom that was really cool is actually that there's a skylight. So there's a 2x2 skylight in the bathroom to allow that natural light in. Now, as you continue past the bathroom, in the back is the bedroom space. Now, for this particular client, the bedroom space was designed for his 2 children. And so you have bunk beds in the back with storage underneath. Each of the bunk beds has an egress window, a great way to allow natural light in and to allow good airflow. And then at the end of each bed is a USB outlet and plug. So technically you could hang a TV in these spaces. Each kid can kind of have their own TV with their own headset, and really allows for just a comfortable living space in the back. What's crazy about this unit is throughout the entire square footage of it is actually tile flooring, which we've never done tile flooring in an RV, and I'm sure you've never seen that either. So we had to use a special grout. It was an epoxy grout, which is flexible, and this allows the unit to be transported and moved without it breaking. So really was our first time trying this out, and it worked out well. The unit got there safely, no cracks in the tile, and really gives it a very luxury feel for a space that typically would have laminate or vinyl flooring. Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of this one-of-a-kind 24-foot container tiny home. If you're interested in more information about our products and the different types of builds that we typically do, and the models that we offer that you can actually buy yourself, you can check us out online at alternativeliving-spaces.com. And also, we are gearing to doing a lot more DIY content. So for those of you that want to build your own container home, maybe for full-time living or to be used as a rental, I'd encourage you, check the link in the description below for a free training where I share with you my biggest lessons after building 100 container homes. Things that you want to do and things that you don't want to do. So that's in that description below. You can check it out. Don't forget to like and subscribe as well. And we'll see you in the next video.